Before the real work can start, firms have to gather information and documents from clients. That process often begins with a questionnaire or a document request list. Let's say I'm working with a returning client. I can send them a questionnaire by choosing a template or letting AI convert a document to a questionnaire. In this instance, I will show you how the conversion works. You can also build out a template for a questionnaire and use that to guide the AI in creating a questionnaire. You can, of course, add due dates and reminders so the software nags your clients, not you, putting you in the strategic role of a financial advisor for your client. AI will create this based on that PDF that you get directly from your tax software. Once your questionnaire is created, you can, of course, make any edits you would like, whether that's the welcome message, requiring review and submit, or moving on to the questionnaire itself. You'll notice that it has utilized various question types that we have available. Yes, no, long text, and things like conditional logic, where if the first question's answer is yes, it will follow up with this question. It will even do this for file uploads, acting as a sort of embedded document request list. As clients fill out these questionnaires, and if documents are required, it will show up on their end here at the bottom as a document checklist. When the client logs into their portal, they'll be met with the various items that you've requested of them. This is the tax organizer that I just sent. If I go in here and answer questions accordingly based on the conditional logic that was programmed in, I will be met with filed upload question types. I can either upload them here, or you will notice it is building me a checklist in real time at the end of the questionnaire, where I can go and upload one by one. I can see exactly what's being asked of me, or I can bulk upload. I, as the client, can rename them, but no matter how I name them, the practitioner always has the right to rename them. You can see that none of the forms that I attached were matched to my requests. If I were to upload a file that matches, let's say, this charitable contribution request, Canopy will work to match that file to that request. You can see that little green check mark that said, yes, this is this file. And of course, that still allows clients to upload any other files they may have had. Even without submitting the full questionnaire, I, as the practitioner, still see those files that they uploaded. I can then select all of the files within their client inbox and use AI to rename them, referencing the global naming conventions that I have built in settings. Clients can, of course, toggle between different client portals that they have access to. I'm going to go over to this questionnaire because this client has information on their client portal that are being populated within the questionnaire utilizing AI. So they can then respond with that information, correct that information, or clear it out entirely and fill out all of the answers. Once complete, you can see that the AI has both classified and renamed files with enough information to reference. Not only can you send questionnaires, but you can send one-off document request lists. You can also do this in bulk, saving you hours of time. Use AI, prompt it, reference a template, set your due date, set a reminder, insert a description, and clients will never have an excuse again to get something to you late. This clearly communicates exactly what you need from them when you need it.